Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to recover a deactivated Yahoo account due to inactivity. First, open your browser and type Yahoo login in the search bar. Now on the login screen, type the username of the account you want to bring back. After that, hit next. Here, if your account was turned off because of not being used for a while, you'll see a message saying it's no longer active, but you'll also get the option to come back. Now click on the button that lets you log in again or reactivate your account. Before you go ahead, it's important to know if your account can still be brought back. Yahoo usually disables account after about 90 days of no activity, but you can still log back in as long as it hasn't been over 12 months. So if your account has been inactive for around 10 months, you can sign in again using your username and password to get it running. But if it's been over a year, then sadly recover is no longer possible. In that case, you'll need to make a new account. You might be able to reuse your old email name, but your previous data will be gone. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.